Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to limit the quantity of a product in your Shopify store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Shopify.com website right here and log into your account. And after logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the info regarding your store, all the sections you can access, such as the home section right here. Here you can see your orders, your products, customers, and so on. So guys, the first thing we want to do to be able to limit our quantity is to go to the product section right here. So guys, go ahead and click on products right here. And now, as you can see, this will open up this new page where we can see all the items that we have for sale in our store. And now we want to go ahead and select the item we want to limit the quantity for. So guys, let's go ahead and select this product right here by clicking on it. And this will now open up this new page where we can edit our item. As you can see, we can edit the name and so on. So what we want to do guys is to go ahead and scroll down until we find this option right here that says quantity. And guys, as you can see in the quantity option, we can produce how many items we have. So guys, as you can see, we can select this option right here to track the quantity, and then we can select this option to continue selling when out of stock if we want, but this isn't a very useful option. So what we can do guys is to go ahead and set how many items we have right here. You can select how many are available, how many are in hand, committed, unavailable, and so on. So after you have done all of that guys, just go ahead and save at the top of the page. Let's go ahead and put that we have available maybe one or two. Let's go ahead, and as you can see, quantity updated, and now we can see that we have that many items in store. So guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.